Don't you ever wish there was a way to crank out eye-catching short videos without spending hours hunched over your timeline? What if I told you you could do it way faster, like 10 times faster, with AI doing the heavy lifting? Meet Vizard, an AI-powered studio that turns long footage into snackable, scroll-stopping clips. This studio handles the heavy editing for you. It even queues up the final content so you can focus purely on creating more material. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how to make professional-looking shorts in just minutes with Vizard. I'll show 3 real-world examples so you can see precisely how the system works across different practical scenarios. We'll cover everything from spicing up an already polished short, to fixing a messy raw take, to batch processing a full-length video. And finally, we'll look at automatically scheduling those viral-ready clips across all your platforms. Let's jump into example 1. Imagine you already have a polished short, but the captions are either bland or completely missing. Instead of manually typing and painstakingly animating every single line, you simply upload that clip to Vizard. Go ahead and create a new project, then immediately hit Generate Captions and drop in your finished file. You pick your spoken language and toggle the multiple speakers option, if needed, then let the artificial intelligence do the complex work. Within mere seconds, Vizard delivers incredibly accurate, time-synced captions for your entire video. The AI isn't just matching simple words to timestamps because it truly understands the context of the conversation. Because of this context awareness, it actually flags spots that might have been mistranscribed, which is super helpful. That one feature alone makes the entire proofing process ridiculously fast for any editor. Once those finalized captions are successfully in the timeline, Vizard immediately offers style presets inspired by the most viral creators online. You can choose looks like bold, understated, cinematic, or even meme-ready themes, switching the entire style with a single click. Want to apply that high-energy, bouncy Mr. Beast-style text pop? Consider it instantly done with zero extra effort on your part. Or maybe you prefer a cleaner, more minimal text look that's perfect for a professional brand channel. Every single theme comes preloaded with stylish animation and optional emoji treatments baked right in. This means your captions don't just sit statically on screen. They animate, highlight, and draw viewer attention exactly when the spoken words hit. If you still want to customize further, you have total control to tweak text size, color, and position. You can even adjust highlight accents to perfectly match your specific brand identity in mere seconds. Then there are simple inline controls available for every single caption line you see. Here you can quickly add or remove specific emojis, emphasize a key line so the text grows while the background dims, or add subtle sound effects like a click or whoosh. These small intentional details are precisely what make a short video feel genuinely professional and engage viewers immediately in those critical first few seconds. Now let's move to example 2. Dealing with that raw footage that is full of bad takes, long pauses, and awkward starting moments. The exact kind of clip that usually eats up all your valuable time. First, upload the raw file to Vizard, and before you even worry about styling, head straight to the advanced trimming tools. Vizard automatically transcribes the entire clip and displays it clearly as a fully editable text script right before your eyes. Right away, you can run a powerful, clean audio pass designed to instantly remove all long pauses and dead air from the recording. We are talking about eliminating those 1 or 2 second gaps that absolutely kill the pacing in a fast-moving short. Just pick the desired final pacing level you want and let the AI remove all that unnecessary flab automatically. Next up, hit the specialized Remove Bad Takes tool where Vizard scans the transcript for obvious flubs, repeated phrases, and restarts. The system then suggests clean cuts for all those rough moments. Simply click Approve and those awkward segments are automatically excised from your footage. If the AI misses something subtle, or if you simply need a more precise edit, you can highlight any line in the transcript to remove that segment. You also have the option to manually adjust cut points directly within the visual timeline interface. You can drag handles, split clips, or delete sections manually, because Vizard offers both powerful automation and granular control when you need it. Once that raw footage is finally tidied up and tightened, you jump back into the captioning and styling modules. The previously messy and disjointed raw take now looks incredibly polished, featuring tight pacing, dynamic animated captions, and crucial emphasis where it truly matters. Need to add a quick piece of supporting B-roll or a still image to cover up a jump cut? Vizard makes it incredibly easy to layer in those supporting clips, images, or visual overlays to smooth out any transition. The net positive effect is that you achieve professional pacing and a high-end polish in a fraction of the manual editing time it would normally require. Now, this next functionality is the real game changer, especially for creators who rely on long-form content archives. I'm talking about Vizard's revolutionary auto-editing viral clips feature. Upload any long video, think a full podcast episode, a recorded webinar, or an existing YouTube video, or simply paste the link if it's already online. Then, you tell Vizard your desired output clip lengths, perhaps 15 to 30 seconds or maybe 30 to 60 seconds, and you just click Get Clips. The AI then deeply analyzes the speech patterns, moments of high energy, audience engaging cues, and even visual shifts within the footage. It then spits out a whole batch of short clips that are already perfectly trimmed, captioned, and styled according to your theme. For just a standard 10-minute video, Vizard frequently generates dozens of high-potential candidate clips in under 5 minutes. You receive dozens of ready-to-post snippets which you can then easily preview, tweak further, or even combine together. Want to quickly change the automatically generated thumbnail, tweak the opening hook text, or apply a completely different caption theme? You can manage all of that easily with just one simple click of the mouse. Crucially, these are not just random, time-based cuts. The The AI prioritizes moments that have the highest statistical likelihood of performing well. This means it targets punchlines, bold declarative takes, surprising factual statements, and significant emotional beats in the conversation. Here is exactly why that capability matters so much to modern creators. Trying to manually find those perfect, short, sharp moments is incredibly slow, subjective, and often heavily biased by your own perspective. You could easily miss those short, sharp moments that would have absolutely killed it on platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. Vizard effectively treats your entire video archive like an untapped gold mine, quickly mining out the absolute gems for you. However, the power of Vizard certainly does not stop at just making the short clips themselves. One of its most standout features for scaling your publishing efforts is the comprehensive auto-schedule function. Instead of manually downloading clips and then painstakingly uploading them across different accounts every single day, you can set your posting frequency. You simply tell Vizard how often you want content to go out, and it queues everything up across all your connected social accounts. You can set your posting frequency to daily, 3 times a week, or whatever cadence works best for your strategy. The AI intelligently schedules those clips at optimal engagement times based on established best practice data. Furthermore, you can review the entire plan within a visual content calendar interface before anything goes live. In this calendar view, you can easily move posts around, swap out different clips, or edit captions one last time. This powerful content calendar acts like your personal command center for all outgoing content. You can plan an entire month of shorts, see precisely when and where each will publish, and make bulk edits to titles or hashtags. If you ever realize you need to pause your publishing schedule or reschedule a post, that action requires just a single click. That complete workflow, from the initial long video to the edited clips to the final scheduled post, is what truly allows creators to scale successfully. It lets you scale without the immediate need to hire a full-time editor or spend your weekends glued to a timeline. Now, I want to briefly touch upon competing tools, because there are certainly other solutions out there performing some of these actions. For example, some caption-first tools give you super stylized subtitle packs, or a few editors can automate zooms and transitions very well. However, those tools are often siloed, meaning you might get great caption styling but very limited clip selection options. Alternatively, you might get auto-clipping functionality but without any scheduling or cross-platform posting capabilities attached. Some of the other solutions on the market can also become quite pricey for creators who only need a lightweight, efficient workflow. Vizard's core advantage is that it attempts to cover the entire creator journey in one place. This includes highlight detection, extremely fast editing, accurate captioning, and actual publishing control all bundled together. That means you bypass needing 3 separate subscriptions and trying to manage everything with a separate tracking spreadsheet. Another key difference is that many competitors require heavy, repetitive manual input just to get decent, usable clips, or they offer only very basic trimming features. Vizard's AI is specifically tuned to actively prioritize those viral-friendly hooks, so you spend more time learning what actually resonates instead of endlessly chopping footage yourself. That said, if you are someone who deeply values complete control, Vizard certainly provides it, because you can always fine-tune every single clip before it officially posts. Other practical features you will definitely appreciate include quick thumbnail selection options. You also get auto-generated descriptions and hashtag suggestions specifically tailored for each individual social platform. There are options for basic audio cleanup and even simple ways to add your own branding, like a small logo or a consistent intro card. If you ever need to add a bit of supporting B-roll or overlay a still image, you can easily drop those assets in and adjust their timing visually. So, to quickly recap the entire workflow I just demonstrated for you today. First, upload a pre-edited short to instantly add polished animated captions and micro SFX to make it pop. Second, upload raw footage, run the clean audio pass, remove bad takes, then style captions and drop in B-roll where needed. Finally, upload a long video, use auto-editing viral clips to generate a batch of shorts, then use auto-schedule and the content calendar to publish them across your socials consistently. Vizard effectively removes almost all of the friction that consistently prevents creators from posting high-quality content every single day. This means no more spending hours on trimming, captioning, and manually uploading every single time. Instead, you gain a steady, reliable stream of quality clips without needing to hire an editor or burn through all of your free time. If you have a massive backlog of long-form videos or you are trying to turn your existing podcast into daily social media bites, Vizard will save you a huge amount of time. It will genuinely help you publish more content consistently than you ever thought possible. I highly recommend you try it out on one of your longer videos today. Let the tool find the highlights, schedule a full week's worth of posts, and then see just how much less time the entire process takes. Go ahead and give it a shot, then tell me what you think in the comments section below. What kind of content are you currently trying to repurpose the most? And if you already use other content tools, what is the one feature you genuinely wish they did better? I will be reading their replies, and I'll see you all in the very next video.